Harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my closet reorganization. I have so many clothes and I just need to reorganize everything. Like, my closet is so full to the point where it's hard to open it, and I have hangers on top of hangers, clothes on top of clothes, and it's just crazy inside. Only like half of this side is like pretty much organized because all it is coats and jackets. But over here on this side, the main side where I always go to, I have tops, pants, shorts, tank tops, dresses like these that I am wearing right now because spring is literally in like a week or 5 days or something like that. So I had to pop this out. I got this from Shein. But anyway, this is probably going to be a long video because I do have storage underneath my bed as well that has clothes and just so many things. So just so much. Like, I honestly don't even have so much clothes. I just don't have enough room. Best believe I'm gonna get a walk-in closet one day. I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna have a separate room for my clothes and everything. It's gonna be like a whole glam room and everything. Like, best believe. Mark my words. Mark it. So this is my closet. It's packed to the freaking max. Like, I never thought it would be like this ever. It's so full. Like, as you can see, I have so many clothes. Well, it's mainly the tops that are like so crunched up together, and we're just gonna, yeah, like I said, reorganize it, make it more suitable to go in, because I swear every time I go in my closet I'm like, here we go again. We're not gonna focus on the top because it's already organized, because I always have to organize that regardless. But these are the clothes that need to be organized. And oh look, even more clothes. This is the worst part. Well actually yeah, this is the worst part, because I've been trying to figure out how to organize this part for months before I even came up with this video. But yeah, as you can see in the back, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's pretty much organized in the back, so I'm not gonna really worry about that. But this part over here, it scares me, it haunts me. But yeah, we're just gonna get all this together over here in this. So number uno, okay, we need to take everything out besides this part. Okay, we're not gonna worry about this part, but this part from where the shorts and the skirts are, all the way to the long sleeves and the track suits. At first I was gonna just pick and choose what needs to come out, but no, I'm gonna start off fresh and clean because it's so necessary right now. Like, I have to. And I have all these hats. Fun fact, I have it since I was like 5. So many freaking clothes, my goodness. I also have them from long sleeve to short sleeve. So this was all long sleeve right here, all the way up to here, this part. Then it went up to short sleeve and crop tops and tank tops. Then it went to pants and jeans, then shorts, then skirts. And while I'm doing this, I just realized this. I am probably going to get rid of some pieces because I either worn them so many times, or they're not really my style anymore, or, you know, because sometimes I do hoard my clothes because they either give me some type of memory. My freaking stuff is falling. And I'm just gonna put these pants on the floor for now because my bed is already full. This is what my closet looks like so far. I have all this extra stuff and my shoes over here. I do have a shoe bench for my shoes. Since it is spring and summertime, I'm just gonna leave this in my closet and I'm gonna leave it on this side. This is a very long skirt that comes with a crop top, and I got it from a boutique. I forgot where. It was like some like Chinese boutique or something, but this is very cute. I'm not even gonna trip about the hangers either, because at this point, like, I bought so many white hangers and I'm not gonna redo me buying other different colored hangers or different types of hangers. I did for a few because they're like for organization things, but not like anything too special. Okay, now this is like more for the fall and winter, just because like this material is like pretty thick and thin and mainly keeps me warm from what I remember. So this is gonna be for the winter and fall, and I'm just gonna keep it underneath my bed. Same thing with this is also a more of a fall type of attire, and it comes with a skirt with it, and this is just pretty much perfect for the fall. I don't really see myself wearing it in the spring or summer. Anything with like a sweater, like this color type of material, it really depends on what it is. I just see it as just straight fall or winter. I just have to show you guys this real quick. I got this from Shein and I have not worn this yet, and this is so cute. Look at the little rhinestones on it though. This is a cute top. I need to wear it soon. Actually, I'm thinking of color coordinating as well. I think I should color coordinate. I think I'm gonna color coordinate. Oh wow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna color coordinate better than just organizing from long sleeve to short sleeve, because I mainly go over here, but there's other times where I'm like, dang, I wish I could wear long sleeve, but I don't know, I feel like it'll just help me better instead of choosing one side the whole time, because I'm more of a short sleeve person than a long sleeve person. But I need to get used to wearing long sleeve, because sometimes outfits be really cute with long sleeve, but I'm like, dang, like opposite is hot, and I like think of all this crazy stuff, but no. Actually, I think for some of my sets, I'm gonna keep them in here just because they are a set. Let's say I want to wear the sweater and not the pants. I could just leave the pants in there, wear this sweater, wear some shorts, and a look. I might not keep this, I don't know. This is where I'm gonna leave this to the side. And this is like the only thing I left to the side so far. So this top right here is really giving me Native American vibes, and this is like the only type of Native American vibe outfit or top that I have, so I think I want to keep it. I got it from TJ Maxx, and this is actually very cute, so actually I think I'm gonna keep it because I now just thought of some outfit ideas with this. Okay, this was my mother's and I had this for ages. Worn this a lot during high school, still like it. It's giving me early 2000 vibes, and y'all know that's in style right now, so this is a must to keep in the closet. So this is how this side is looking so far with the clothes. I still have a few more clothes that I have to do besides the ones that I have on the ground, but I'm gonna take a break from that because I need to figure out the hanger situation. But right now I am on to the jeans, and this is what I have so far with the jeans. I had got this jean or clothes organizer from Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys because this is so convenient, and I'm thinking of ordering more because I really need space, and it's easy to come off too because all you have to do is lift this up and it'll come out from the side or on the other side. If you hung it on the other side like this, take it off, and yeah, this is very convenient, and the metal is very sturdy, and you also get these for free too. So I'm thinking of hanging maybe another pair of jeans right here. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, this is what I have so far. This is what it looks like when it's over here. It's not going to be that much color coordinated on this side. Like, I'll try my best to do that, but I don't know. I do have whites, then it fades into a light blue, then a kind of a darker blue, then I'll get a darker blue, then black. And yeah, I have 2 more of those hangers. Comes with a 3-pack for like $20. I feel like that's pretty good because it's metal and this is really sturdy. This is a workout set piece and I think I want to keep this in my closet. This kind of reminds me of fall, but then again, this is like kind of cropped and it's breathable and I love this part, so I keep this in my closet. This is what I literally have so far to go through, and right now I'm separating them from like colors because I'm gonna end up stacking them on top of each other with the hangers. But honestly, I don't even care at this point because most of my clothes have their own hangers anyway. So you guys, I just got this dress from Amazon and look how cute it is. I don't have nothing like this in my closet. As you can see, I don't have a lot of bright neon looking stuff besides this green top and like a few of like my bathing suits, but this right here is perfect for the summer and like having that nice tan. Like, oh my gosh, like I cannot wait to wear this, and it splits on the side and this is just gorgeous, and it also slants too, so this is so cute. Like, okay, anyway, I have to show you guys this dress, and I think I'm gonna put it over here. Right now I'm folding all the extra clothes that were on the ground in my closet, and I'm gonna put them in my drawers that I have over here on this side. If I have enough room, I'm probably gonna have to declutter in there too, but then again, I don't know. Well, probably, because I do need to put these in there and it's like stuffed. Actually, these sweats go underneath my bed where I have my extra storage. And I just pulled out this baby from underneath my bed. I have 3 of them. Right now I'm about to put everything in here and refold everything and take out some items. And just, why does this, okay, and just take out some items and see what I need. Now I got these from Amazon as well, hangers and this. So I'll leave these in the description box for you guys because these are so handy, especially these. If you need to choose between the two, get this because all you gotta do is slide it right underneath your bed. And this fits and holds so much. My back hurts. That just shows that I really need to work out, like seriously work out, not no little stretchy squat. No, I need to go hard with working out because I swear my back hurts, my arm hurts, my freaking legs hurt. This is all the stuff I do not want, and most likely it's gonna go to Goodwill or somewhere because, or in the trash, because these are stained with like chocolate milk, and this is probably gonna go to Goodwill. It fits weird, and This I might probably sell in the future because it's still really good quality, but I just, you know, I don't like thick stuff like this. I feel like I'm suffocating. And this is the stuff that I need to hang up. And this stuff right here I need to hang up as well and put away. And this I need to put in these drawers. So I'm finally done with everything that I needed to do with my closet, reorganization, color coordinating. Now I'm gonna show you guys the after results of what I've done. And look how pretty. That is so freaking pretty and so organized. And like, I gotta insert a before and after because this is so good. But one thing, of course, I have to mention is that it's still very full, but it's organized. If you're wondering where my knob is from, it is from AliExpress, but they do sell these on Amazon. I also have a light in here, but I don't know if you guys could see. Let me turn this off. Yeah, I do have a light, but I actually have 3, but I ran out of batteries. This is my whole organization of everything. And the back is more organized too. And I got this one light. Other than that, I'm very glad on how I organize everything. And the bottom over here is way more organized. Way more organized. So that is all to show you guys in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. Like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope this video helped you a lot, especially if you live in an apartment or if you just have a small closet, small storage space. I hope this gives you an idea or any type of motivation, you know, just to get this done and make it look clean and organized. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.